wanted you to meet Alicia.
Alicia, hey, it's so nice to meet you. Ooh, you're VIP.
Yeah, I was just telling her how special she is. Like who's this lady in the back row? I don't even know her.
Her?
Yeah.
Just beat cancer.
Yeah, but not a bad one. An easy one, like finger or skin.
Yeah,
not one of the hard ones. Yeah.
Are they all as special as me?
No. Are you kidding? This guy here is just an injured fireman.
Yeah, I don't see any scars.
Foster mom, an heroic restaurateur, to switch places, please.
Heroic restaurateur.
I just made an omelet. I'm a hero.
Oh, Halo has to pee.
Hey, Amy, where are the chaperones?
The St. Joseph's Children's Choir has come down the bounty bug, all 30 of them. So the chaperones are drowning in children at the moment. I can take you. I'm going that way anyway, so why don't you come with me? Yeah. Do I take her hand? Yes, hold Miss Amy's hand. Okay.
Amy was born to be with kids.
Well, peeing is fun.
There you go.
Thanks, Miss Barton. Okay,
Oh.
are we ready?
You look like a pretty toy soldier.
Okay, don't you salute this.
Ma'am, may I present your VIP?
Oh, Karen.
Ma'am, I loved you on Saturday Night Live. You were hysterical.
Oh, that wasn't me though, but wasn't it funny? He's so funny, I know. Alicia Bryce, we get to meet each other at last. Yes, it's wonderful. I am passionate about universal childcare. Ma'am, I'm so glad to talk to you. It's a little distracting.
Yeah, it is. It's distracting.
So distracting.
Yeah, so funny.
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance to say on the phone, but 38% of our kids have no regular child care arrangements.
38%.
Oh, I mean, it's 2 out of every 5 kids. I mean, 38%, right?
38%. That's it.
I'm glad you echo my concerns.
No, I do. I echo your concerns, and I'm going to see you soon, and that's 100%.
Oh, well, you can repeat 100% anytime you like.
Well, I will, ma'am, 100%.